Hey guys, this is the venue for the night.
Oh, you're not saying. Wow.
Happy belated birthday, babe.
Oh, yo.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Del Pet family. The Del Pet family.
Alright guys, so happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
I love you.
Today kind of eventful.
We love
so,
you.
Yeah.
We've been enjoying our day. Let's say that. We did not record today, but we have been, baby, enjoying it today.
Yeah, man, definitely.
We've been enjoying our day today.
So
Alright.
we're going out to dinner now. Here we go.
So this is our birthday celebration at home. Then we're going to go out to dinner. Alright, let's sing happy birthday to daddy. The 2, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear daddy. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So this is your tiramisu cheesecake. Alright, so you want Carrie and Jaden to help you to blow it out? Or you want to be okay?
After 3, 1, 2, 3. After 3, when we go 3, we blow. Okay, Carrie, let's go. 1, 2, 3, blow.
Blow, 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 blow. Woo!
Alright.
Let's cut it.
Yeah.
Yay!
Let's cut it.
Yay!
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, so guys, we are celebrating 1 more year. We just thank God that we have you and that we're
See
able
here?
to celebrate you in such a
See
way.
there?
Yes,
Alright.
so this is the tiramisu
Daddy
cheesecake
birthday!
special edition for Adrian Delprat. How is it?
Nice.
Like it, Kyrie?
I like it.
You like it? There you go there.
So we're getting ready to go out, guys. So this is a very short clip. We're gonna catch you guys up in other activities. Bye, D Squad. See ya.
Happy birthday!
Thank you,
Wait,
Karen.
say it again.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank you, Karen.
Hey guys, this is the venue for the night. This is the birthday boy. The birthday man. Birthday man. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yes, I am.
This is nice.
Yeah, so we're checking out a new restaurant tonight. We're kind of excited because we haven't experimented in a while. So we are used good here. So
Yeah.
let's see.
The guys, greedy people out, you know, so no it go.
Okay. Yeah, we're starting eating, guys. This is our appetizer. Hold on. Wait. There.
This is nice. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
Nice. Ooh.
It's good. It's really good.
Yeah.
It was really good. Good food. Good ambience. Thank you.
Good company.
Yeah. Hey guys. So apparently Jaden bought me a surprise birthday gift, you know. So him ship it in. Him and him grandmother and him auntie collude to get him it. So yeah, Jaden truly with him gift for me. Thank you. Open it. Alright, all the baby member open it. Alright, go in the car. Alright, let's go in the car. It's fine, it's okay. Yeah. Oh, you want to open me too? Okay. Alright. Alright, Cynthia. It's full of compartments like them hide it from me, watch out. Bust it open and then here we go. Thanks. You know me, you want something like this?
Oh my God.
Guys, Daddy have a big old speaker that him used to edit the videos. And every Sunday morning, the loudspeaker, you can hear it from in the bathroom and the door.
Alright. Yeah, so
nice.
my other headset that I added was damaged. So thanks Jaden. Hope this one, well I know this one will last me a lot longer because it's a good brand.
Yes,
Good brand. So goodbye Jaden. Me like how it look. When I open it properly. Hold up the camera good, my boy.
It's nice, man. I like how Jaden think. You know, think about other people, not always a think for himself.
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
What is going on? Wow. It feels nice seeing you there. Watch it. Wow. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. And I come with a little charging cable, type C. And a little. Yeah, man, it's nice. So I'm gonna pair it right now and do a Sunday editing. Yeah. Alright, thanks Jaden. Thank you. Yeah, my peeps, what you look? You excited, eh? So excited. What you doing?
So, I'm making a sandwich bread. And I want to make a few of them coconut flavored. Just gonna eat kind of like a cinnamon roll, but a bit different. But a bit different. Anyways, I'm adding salt to the flour. Already weighed out everything already.
Alright.
Gonna add my flour into my pan. Oh, see how that flour is?
How much pound of flour this?
I don't know.
So you said sandwich dough. What do you call it? Sandwich dough, what is that? What's that?
So it's gonna be like a sandwich bread. So I'm gonna shape it out into a round, kind of like a croissant kind of thing.
So wait though.
Can I do
So you will make sandwich?
You're gonna use to make sandwich.
Or
Or
you
you
can
can
eat
use
that.
that. Or you can eat it by itself.
Okay.
So
Alright.
today,
Alright,
this is
so
the final thing that I have to do today.
by the way peeps, so it's a busy day we have, you know. Guess I have some run for go make. You see what I say? Her mother coming at the place, so she have to go pick her up from the airport.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, time kind of tight, you know?
Alright. Pouring it all in.
So now we have the butter and mix with the dough.
Yeah.
Oh, this pretty dough, man.
It's a big fowl.
Beautiful. Yeah. Chicken I go on glaze. Dough I go on knead. You know? I'm a need you.
Yeah, right, man, all these things.
Yeah, see it.
And all these things.
The gravy that part of the background burner around and so.
Yeah, that's the gravy going on right there.
Yeah, chicken are really big, and normally when they put chicken in a pan here, space will leave on the sides.
Yeah,
you know?
chicken are big. Yeah, so you see? The dough is coming together. Before it was a lot more watery. But the mixer has been putting in the work and it's been coming together.
Good.
So now the butter is in, the vinegar is in. I think I'm gonna just give it a little, like probably like 5 minutes more. Then I just take it out and try and put it in a bowl and put it to rice.
Miss Blossom, you see why Cass late to come pick you up from the airport? This is the reason why you're at the airport waiting, alright?
You won't be waiting, I'm gonna be there, okay?
So just 5 more minutes. So you're gonna wait 5 minutes more longer. Cause you're gonna make this mix 5 more minutes.
Right here, so I'm gonna put my olive oil. I need to do some reorganization, guys. I need to get a bigger cupboard space, okay?
We have to work on that, definitely. We made the house more habitable.
Yeah.
Hospitable. You know, I put plans into place enough to make the place a much nicer. You know, so just stay tuned, guys. We have a lot more in store on this channel, you know? Yeah, man, and if you haven't subscribed already, guys, subscribe, alright? Alright, so this is it. Alright, so Cass gonna take for her food to go because she got airport right now and she'll bring some food for her mom as well. But yeah, look at this, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Hey guys. Say hi, Kyrie.
Hi, Jerry.
Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. So it's a sun-kissed evening. I'm kind of late. I'm going to pick up my mom. As you mentioned before, but I have Kyrie with me. Okay. Guys, for the other day, I've been sporting my two flat twists. It's just one of the easiest things to do. Right after I wash my hair, I just put it in two. And if I'm wearing a wig, I can wear a wig like this. And I kind of like wearing it just like this with little edges, you know, put little baby ears on it. Yeah, so today is not. You see the birds? Yes, baby. It's running away. So sometimes we have to be interpreters of our baby's language. That was very clear though, but sometimes it is so clear. Yeah, we are going to meet grandma. We're going to meet grandma. So my mom is coming to Jamaica. So to my other family members, because my dad died. My dad died, he did. Boy, it's still shocking. It happened the beginning of November, the first part of November. He died, and It's still a bit shocking. Like when I go, I'm the one like handling the funeral arrangements. It's super stressful. But when I go, like the other day I went to the death registry and all them something, and then they were saying Leroy came out. I was like every single time they called his name, it was so shocking. It was like I have the same reaction. I'm like, that's so stupid. How can I have the same surprise reaction every single time? But
Mommy,
yeah. Yes,
I
baby.
did the beach.
Yeah.
I did the beach.
Yeah, you see the beach.
That's the water.
Yeah.
That's the water.
Yeah. Perhaps we can go in the water another time, alright? Yeah, look over there. See the beach?
The boats?
Yeah. Well, there's no boat out there now, baby.
The boat is the waters.
Okay. So I haven't seen my mom.
On the water.
Okay, baby. Yeah. Carrie wants to have like a full-on conversation now. But I haven't seen her since April this year. You guys would have seen that we went overseas and we actually stayed with them for a little while. The good thing about it is that I'm able to see them again for this year. Surprising, I wasn't expecting that. He was sick, my dad was sick, but we didn't expect him to die. We didn't expect him to die. We're very hopeful. My dad has been through a lot medically and he has just always come out. Sometimes I wonder, like, it's been like, if you sort of know my dad's medical history, it's like a miracle. But we still didn't expect him to die. We expected him to pull through, and unfortunately this time he didn't. Very unfortunate. I just had to tell you all something. All right, so I'm going to the airport, right? And while I'm going to the airport, we reach Harborview, almost reached the runabout, and this police car just pulled down. I'm in the right lane, the police car pull up in the left lane, and where I'm pull up, windows down. You know, like when they spot a criminal. I saw the man approach, and he's like, pull over, remember, you know, I'm literally almost at the roundabout. By the time him start talk to me, what happened now? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened, baby? Your hand hurt? Hey guys, sorry about that. Harry woke up and wasn't feeling so well, he was sleeping. But I was approaching the runabout and the policeman come down on the right. Him frightened me because the way how him approached me, tell him to pull over. It was confusing. It was even confusing to become him. So me just about to enter the runabout when he swooped down beside me, and then when he talked to him literally on the runabout, he's like, you know when you run down somebody? I said, police, I say, officer, what is wrong? Is something wrong? He said, yeah, where are you going? I said, I'm going this direction. He said, well, when you go over there, pull over. Pull over. He approaches me, says, the system is showing me that you have no fitness. Ooh. The system is showing me that you have no fitness. Remember me, I drive, you know? Drive me, I drive. This man, no body certification and fitness. $15,000. I run me down like a criminal to give me a $15,000 ticket. I think that is exorbitant and excessive. One, for you run me down. You never stop me and check papers. You run me down for say you never have no fitness. So you just randomly running people's plate on the road to give them ticket. That is it. You're randomly running people's plate on the road to give them ticket. $15,000 I think is excessive. I think that is abusive of the government to charge somebody $15,000 for a fitness. In this economy, when people are struggling so much, for you to increase ticket prices to $15,000 for a fitness, I think is extremely excessive. In a country where the murder rate and aggressive, violent crimes are in above the thousands, I think that you as a government are oppressive and that you have no regard for your citizens, because you put so much system in place that a policeman can randomly run anybody's plate. He can just drive on the road and run everybody's plate and issue a ticket to everybody, but you can't catch a murderer. Somebody who rapes and kills a child, you can't catch them. If somebody come and stab me up in my car right now, God forbid, the man they run gone and you can't catch him. You not catch them. Because if you know did catch the police, if you know they catch the bad man, them wouldn't have bad. Am I right? If you know did catch the gunman, them, the thief, them wouldn't out there killing and stealing. They wouldn't. It would be a deterrent. Now, no say if you do wrong, you're going to jail. But that's not the Jamaica that we're living in. We're living in a Jamaica where a man can kill another man and come on TikTok, come make a video. Tell the son must take down him face off of the most wanted list. And he's been there for years and you can't catch him. But look at me, who not commit no crime. Who not run down like a criminal. I issue a $15,000 ticket. You know how much the pampas? $10,000. So for you to have a $15,000 ticket for just fitness, we think it's excessive. And this is not the only one. That transportation act there, I know what you know about government or all the government is because the opposition leader was there. Them should have fight for this, I call them the fight out nibs. Them should have fight out this. This is oppressive. For your government to be so invested in increasing technology so that them police can tell me, say me have me not have a fitness for my vehicle and give me a ticket without even looking at my document, then you can't invest the same energy in solving crime. Because Jamaica is a place where record double in the thousands for dangerous crime, murders, the level, the rate of murders in Jamaica is so alarming. And you don't put enough effort into improving the system to solve that crime. Funny enough, I have another story for tell you. I'm waiting for my mother. I have another story for tell you. You know, my dad died, right? A couple months ago, I was driving in Afritry. I was at a stoplight. The vehicle wasn't moving. Well, I was at a stoplight. And my dad was sick. I called the doctor. Doctor is going to the home. The doctor was calling me. I have an earphone. I had a Bluetooth in my ear, right? When the call answered, the car was connecting to the Bluetooth. Me at the stoplight. It's not on the road me I drive on. Me not drive on a phone. No. The call was connecting to the Bluetooth. So at the stoplight, the car not move. Take up my phone and I simply press the thingy on the call to make it connect to the Bluetooth. That's all I did. By the time that must happen, the policeman started knocking my window. Policeman is knocking my window. And this is the extent to which I'm just trying to show you where the government focuses their attention. So the policeman are knock the window. Put down the window. He might give me a ticket for using my phone. I'm like, officer, I have a Bluetooth in my ear. The phone with the car was connected and I'm not moving. My dad is sick. The doctor is literally trying to get to the home.
Mommy, it is a doctor.
You see a doctor? Okay, baby.
the babies.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
So it's so crazy how the same time that my man that they try to give me the ticket. I remember, you know, the car now move. But just touch the button to the Bluetooth. Him give me a ticket. Before my man even start to write the ticket, a man run up to him from down where the buses are parked in the halfway tree. And the man run up and say, officer. One man down there, so I got stab up one other man. Yes, so the officer said to him, say, the man run come to him, you know, to get help. So as to prevent somebody from injuring, possibly killing somebody else. The man say, I'm dealing with this lady. I'm sorry, I cannot come. 3 police officers. So at this point, I'm like, so hold on there, writing a ticket to me because me press the Bluetooth on my phone so me can talk to the person on my earpiece at a stoplight is more important to write that ticket than to go down there, sir. And that's not even the end of it. That's what it was so funny. I wish I videoed it because this wasn't even funny. Before the man finished write the ticket, another man come up to him. I call him attention to go to somebody else down the road again. The man brushed them off and run them way. He might deal with a lady here right here. So this is what I'm doing. I'm not doing nothing down there. So this is the attitude of this policeman, and you cannot tell me that this is not the attitude of all the policemen, because that's what I see. They put more effort into giving people like me a ticket. People like me who are average people going about their business, they put more effort into giving you a ticket than solving crime. Solving crime don't pay. Ticket, traffic tickets pay. And the government invest in that because them down here are squeeze with as much as them can squeeze to get the money. That's where the money is. Solving crime now pay them. They want the money so them can go buy $100,000 cake and have party. I'm disappointed. I'm not telling a lie. Our ticket shows us that you're fitness, but your ticket now show you that a man never so wanted for murder. How much of them ticket show, how much of them something upon them system? How much of the system where them have, does it show them who is wanted for murder, for rape, for assault? Does it show them who is wanted? Because them come and hunt me down like a criminal to give me a fitness ticket for $15,000 in a Jamaican landscape that is excessive. When you look at how the prices of things and how people are really struggling down here, it's extremely excessive. But then you can't find a criminal.
The doctor's right here.
The doctor is right here.
What? I did the modules.
I just find it to be extremely distasteful. I'm not telling a lie. Yeah, my fitness is up. Fitness is up.
Right there.
But do you put so much emphasis in finding criminals?
I didn't do it.
Close your eyes, or close your eyes. Stretch out your hand. You're peeping.
How can I heavy box this? How would it blow? Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, you're not saying. Wow.
Happy belated birthday, babe.
Oi. So move out there, go babe.
Yeah, baby.
Move out there, go babe.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, that's open. Oh, this is for adjust. Yeah, this is for slide down and thing. Then I like this. I like this.
It's a nice start.
Yeah, you know if your arm wait me, it's alright. Yeah, it's nice. This is nice.
You like it?
Yeah, man, I like it.
Or if I lock out the light before Kyrie tell me to turn off the light.
Yeah,
Turn off the light, mommy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey guys, so this is what is left of my sandwich croissants. Look at it. So Jaden had this morning for breakfast. I had, Agent had, like we've just been feasting, and this is what is left. The ones that I experimented with and I added raisins, and the ones that I experimented, I added raisins and coconut flakes. They're awesome. Just rewarm it, use it for sandwich, and it's good. Here they are.
Guys, just gone on the road, I just teeth out one croissant. Put some cheese in it. Actually, you see me? Nice, you know. We just eat half already, I'm going to draw for half more. Nice, man. Yeah, nice. It's really good. Proper.